All right, so this is going to be the second part of that pasta carbonara dish. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some oven roasted asparagus. And the only reason why I'm doing it is everybody seems to like it now, so which is a miracle. So I'm going to cut off the woody end. Of course, I'm going to watch my fingers. So we've cut off the woody end. So now what I'm going to do, got my bag here. I'm just going to take those woody ends. And during the spring, probably have a compost out in the backyard for the leftovers and the waste. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to salt this water here. And we're going to put this in the microwave. Now, I could dirty another pan, but, like I said, you're busy dad, you're trying to cook. Doesn't make too much sense to, dirty a bunch of dishes that you're going to have to clean after. So we're just going to take this, we're going to put it in the microwave for a couple of minutes. Not a long time, because we're basically just blanching it, so, we don't really need to do too much. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is, this is the key part. So we're going to do lemon. Now for me, certain roasted vegetables go great with lemon. Brussels sprouts, asparagus, anything that tends to be a little on the bitter side. Get our lemons. And that. Tell my knife skills are not the best here, but I'm not a chef, so tough shit. Alright, so we've got our lemons. That's all set. So we're just going to check on our pasta water here. I'm pretty sure the pasta's almost done for the carbonara, so we want to have that al dente, as they say, whatever the hell that means. Now we're going to check on our mushrooms here. And as you can see, that's beautiful. So we got that. We're going to leave that right there. I'm going to leave our oven on for the roasted asparagus. So this is just about done. And, as you can see, we get a lot of the steam coming up. Why not burn the hell out of my hand? So that's what we do in the kitchen, apparently, when you don't know what you're doing. But anyway, so I'm going to stop this because we didn't really want to cook them. We just wanted to soften them up. So, got our asparagus. Now we're going to take our tongs. Just going to mix them up there a little bit. I'm going to put that in there for another minute. So like I said, we don't want to cook it, but we don't want them to be too hot when they're in the oven. I'm just going to put that in. Another minute. And that's it. I think we're pretty good on that. Got my daughter over here coming up to spy. All right, this should be done just in a second here. that's good. All right, so now we've got our asparagus. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put this in the pan. So we just have a flat cookie sheet here. I like to use aluminum foil on it just because I don't want to clean it after. Get our asparagus. Kind of spread it out. Yeah, so satisfying, huh? Look at that. Look at that. Can't wait for the gift that asparagus brings you later on tonight. Those of you that have eaten asparagus know exactly what I'm talking about, so I don't have to get into detail on that. Alright, so we're just going to get rid of our wastewater. Alright, so now what we're going to do, we're going to put a little bit of salt, some coarse sea salt here. Alright, get a little bit of black pepper. And this is really what makes it pop. So we get some lemon. So what we want to do is we want to do a little bit of lemon juice. And do that. Onto the asparagus. Alright, so that's plenty of lemon. Don't want to go too crazy with it. And last but not least, we're going to do a little bit of olive oil. And off in the oven it goes. Alright, so that's the asparagus. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done, when I prep everything else and get it all set for you.